Hello students, good morning. So now we are going to solve the next problem for 12 marks. Here the question is here. That is they are telling the balance sheet and receipts and payment of Raghuendra Education Trust, Bellary is given and the receipts and payment account is given. Fine? Okay. So as usual I have told you, you should always write this. Write the name of the company. Raghuendra Education Society, Bellary. Then you write income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2017. How you know this 2017? See, they have given in the question here. See, income and expenditure for year 2017. Okay, so you have to mention that year, student. Very important it is. Then write the format expenditure amount rupees, income amount rupees. So first we will write the expenditure. To write the expenditure, what should we see, students? Yes, we have to see the payments. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಲು ಯಾವತ್ತು ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಸಿ ದ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ 2 years ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್. ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್? ಸಿ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಯರ್ ನೌ ಇನ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ 2017, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ which year will come now? Yes, 2016-17, 3600. ಈ year 2017 ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು, year end. So 3600. I'm writing here 3600. Fine. Now any adjustment is there? Expenses ಅಂತ ಯಾವುದು adjustment ಇದೆಯಾ? Check student. Outstanding expenses 2800 ಇದೆ. But this I am not writing. Why? ಈ 2800 is already adjusted in the question. ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ adjusted. So you ignore it. I am repeating this once again. This outstanding expenses 2800 I am not writing because this amount ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಪುನಃ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Here we are not writing. Okay. Now see, any other adjustment is there? See here what it says. If you see here, expenses due but not paid anta ide 1000. If you can see in the question, expenses due but not paid rupees 1000 andre this is the expenses which are not paid, so it becomes your expenses for you for your current year. E amount annu add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು because this is the expenses which is not paid in the current year. So I'm writing here now, see here, add expenses due 1000. So when you add this, you will get 4600. Fine? Yes. Now next one what it says here, expenses is done. Next is leasehold land. What is leasehold land andre? It is an asset. Yes, asset it is. It's a land taken for some years. Purchase ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ for some years. So it will not come. It will come in the balance sheet asset side. Leasehold land will not come here. It will come in the balance sheet asset side. Next one is interest. Yes, interest 800 you have to write. See, I'm writing interest 800. Any other information is there regarding interest? Il enadru ideya? See, in the adjustments anything is there? Yes. Can you see adjustmentally interest here? Interest due but not paid rupees 400. Interest due but not paid rupees 400. ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವೀಗ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಡೆಡ್. ಎಸ್, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪೇಡ್, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ನೌ, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ 400. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 1200. ಫೈನ್? ಎಸ್. Now next one what it says, students, see, expenses is done, leasehold land is done, interest is done. Now refreshment expenses 4000. ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಚೆಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಟು ರಿಫ್ರೆಶ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ 4000. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಡೌನ್. ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್. ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಚೆಕ್ ಯೋರ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. What they have told in the adjustment, depreciate building by 10% ante. So write depreciation building anta bariri if you want. Building, what is the amount? 60,000, right? So 60,000 into 10%, 10 upon 100 ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? Yes, 6,000. Okay, so your expenditure is done. This much only. Now we will write the income. Students, to write the income, what did I tell you? You have to see your, correct, you have to see your receipts. Receipts, balance brought down, ignore it. That amount, no. Subscription. So subscription you have to take. But students, 3 years are given. Which will you take? Which year you are doing? Year end nimdu 2017. Question nodi. Your answer ali year end is 2017. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ year end 2017 ಎಂಡಿಗೆ 17 ಬರುವುದು ಆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ. The year end should be 17. So 4,200, that is 4,200. Here you have taken year end ಅಲ್ಲಿ 17 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು we take. So end ಅಲ್ಲಿ 17 is 4,200. Some might take this amount because year 17 ಇದೆ. No, it is wrong. It is year ending is 2018 ಅದು. So ನಮಗೆ end year 17 ಅದು ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. Year end 17, 4,200. So I'm writing here students, inner column 4,200. Any other adjustment is there? Check it. Yes, here outstanding subscription 400 they are telling. But E amount is already taken here 400. Outstanding subscription 400 is already taken here. So ignore it. We are not taking. Now subscription received in advance. This amount is taken 1,200 idea illi? No. So this amount we have to take, right? See here, subscription received in advance 1,200. We will add the amount. Why we are adding the amounts here? Artha enu? Subscription received in advance andre this is the amount of 2017 but you have received in 16. I'll repeat once again. E amount is the amount of 2017 but you have received in advance in 2016. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ this becomes the amount of 2017. Since you are doing of 2017 ಆ amount ಅನ್ನು add ಮಾಡೋದು. Okay? Yes. So anything else is there about subscription? Yes. See the question, see. Subscription due but not received rupees 200. Subscription due andre current year adu. It is of the current year rupees 200. So add this. See how I'm doing? Add subscription due of CY. CY andre current year. Add the amount. Add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So when you add this 3 amount you will get 5,600. Okay? Yes, subscription is done. Fine? Yes. Now, next one what they are telling, entrance fees is 1,600. So, entrance fees ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ information ಇದೆಯಾ in the adjustment? What they are telling? Half of entrance fees to be capitalized. Half. Half ಅಂದರೆ 50%. So, entrance fees amount ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Check it. Yes, 1,600 here. ಅದನ್ನು half ಮಾಡೋಣ here. 1,600 into half andre 50 upon 100. Arda madidre you will get 800, isn't it? Yes. Now next one what is there? Entrance fees is done. Rent 1,400. Please write. By rent 1,400. Rent ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ information is there? Outstanding rent 840. ಈ amount ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರಾ? 840 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. So outstanding rent is, it is of which year? 2016. So this you will add or minus? Very good, you will minus it. So why you are minusing? Because you are doing of 2017 and it is of the 2016. So 840 last year idadu. Minus ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you will get 560. Now next one what is there? Income from refreshment 8,000. Any other adjustment is there really? No. So directly by income from refreshment 8,000. Yes? Okay. Now we will balance it. How to balance it, students? It's easy. Add this all. Add this all. Here we can see expenditure is more. Add this amount. Add 4,600 plus 1,200 plus 4,000 plus 6,000. You will get how much? Calculator add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 15,800 you will get. So highest total, right? 15,800. This side is less. Income is less. How to do less? See, 1,500 minus 8,000 minus 560 minus 800 minus 5,600 ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 804 ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. So that is called deficit. or you can also write excess of expenditure over income. You can write it if you want. Deficit also if you write is correct. So excess of expenditure over income. Yes, thank you.